welcome to my farm. Dog is drinking water, sheep is eating grass, hen is in the bark, doing bark. Goat is seeing the cow, he is eating them very fast, and the ducks are swimming.